welcome to the Miss Drea Show, where I'm your host, Miss Drea. Here I have with me my beautiful co-host, Lady T.
I am back. Oh my God, it feels so good to be back. And Kim, before we even begin, let me just say thank you to everyone who came out to see us, Huggy Lowdown. We had 2 shows. The line was around the corner. I was shitting bricks as usual. I was so nervous, but I wanted to thank everyone, and I'm looking forward to getting some new hits and some new looks because we put it out there, the Miss Drea Show. Thank you, guys.
Now, also, I have these 2 beautiful young ladies, Gwendolyn and Marshonda.
Hi.
And together, they are the Brown Girls.
The Brown Girls.
Now, the Brown Girls is the Brown Girls Incorporated, is a professional event planning and management company, and they focus on planning and production premier events. So, ladies, how are you doing?
We're doing great.
Doing fine.
Okay, so how long have you guys been doing this?
3 years.
3 years, wow. And what exactly is it like for the people watching? Tell us a little bit, what is it?
Well, we actually put together several different events, corporate events, fundraisers. We do toy drives. We actually had one on Monday in Carroll City. Shout out to the City of Miami Gardens for assisting us with that. We do back to school book bag drives. We do Thanksgiving turkey giveaways. All these things just to, be out there in the community and also, coordinate these type of events.
Wow. Okay, so what was it that inspired you to do this?
I guess just helping people. That's all we do. I mean, we were doing it for free for so many years. And we were kind of the go-to for a lot of our friends and family and people that needed things taken care of. So we decided to incorporate to bring a new light to it.
Wow. So both of you all just came together and was like, you guys been friends for a long time, I take it?
Over 20 years, actually.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's a blessing.
Yeah, we went to college together, Florida Memorial University, and that also kind of inspired us to get together to do scholarship fundraisers for the school as well.
Okay, so I was going to touch on that. So you guys do, or you girls rather, you do a scholarship for sophomores, and what time of the year does that happen?
The young lady has to be a sophomore that comes from a single parent home, like both of us did.
Okay.
And she has to be from Miami-Dade or Broward County High School.
Okay.
And they can receive the funds in August when school starts or in January when the next semester starts.
Okay, so as far as raising the funds, like how do you guys go about that?
Through our scholarship funds.
Okay.
Which when we do events or we do a party, we call them all parties with a purpose. Okay. And proceeds from those events go towards our scholarship fund.
Oh, wow, that is so nice. So do you guys have like if I were to go on FAFSA or something like that, there's like I can apply for a $5,000 scholarship, or is there a limit or?
We're growing. Let's just say that.
Okay.
But the scholarship is solely through the school's financial aid office. It's in their brochure, and the funds will come directly from Florida Memorial University.
Wow.
We've already given about 8 scholarships.
Oh, wow. Congratulations. Yes. Wow. Okay, so you also have something called Shining Stars.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Definitely. The Shining Stars actually focus on young ladies that graduated from Florida Memorial University, and they're excelling in their capacity throughout the community. That when we first did it, it was like, an extreme honor for a lot of our peers to appear in that Shining Star. This past year, we did the Greek edition, and we included the males because they said, for the past year you only did females. So we included the males, and we did the Greek, the Divine Nine, and that was a huge success, a day party we did at Martini Bar.
Wow. Okay, so just as far as like the experience, because you ladies are giving back like so much, whether, I know you know it, but it's like it's way bigger in everyone else's eyes. What does that feel like to you to actually, hand something to someone and say, here, this, you can better yourself?
I actually experienced that this morning. I'm probably going to tear up again. Just this season, a lot of times we take things for granted, and not everybody is able. And just recently, we found out about a family last week that the gentleman lost his wife from cancer, and he left 8 children. And they actually came to my home this morning, where we were able to get people together to assist us. We had I have to say names, Thaddeus Warner. He was very huge in helping us. Stormy Wellington, she was huge with helping us. Vice Mayor Felicia Robinson of Miami Gardens was huge with helping us with that. And just to see the smiles on their faces this morning, it made me extremely full. I could not stop crying because we were able to help people. It's great to just give back, especially, with the scholarship, that last bit where, mom doesn't have it, dad doesn't have it, and then the Brown Girl Scholarship comes and take up the slack.
Yeah.
So it's huge. It's huge for us, and we just thank God that he has given us the vehicle to do so.
Oh my goodness. I thank God that you're using that vehicle. Lady T, do you have any questions?
I was wondering, how did you guys come about the Brown Girls? Was it something personal, or you just looked at her and wanted to say, I'm brown and you dark?
And that's exactly what we said.
If you look at the shirts, we just did it a little different.
But that is what we were wondering, and we were like, oh, what are we going to do? What are we going to name? And we just looked and said, Brown Girl.
Brown Girls. I love it. I
Yes,
love
thank
it.
you.
And I like doing business with people who look like me.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? So I that was what I was wondering, how you came about that name, and by it being synonymous with your gift giving, because God tell us to be a cheerful giver. So you got to like giving your money away.
Right.
But I don't want to be forced to give it to somebody who don't look like me that I don't want to give it to, because some ain't going to be cheerful then.
Exactly.
But I love this whole concept. Now, do you guys do things throughout the year, or is it just at Christmas time? Because y'all know everybody and their mama is needy come Christmas.
Right.
Even I need. So if you got a new piece of hair or something, throw it over here. I will take it, okay? But everybody have a need during December, November, December. Do you guys do anything throughout the year?
We do, and we have a young lady that attended college with us, and through her agency, whenever there's a need, it does not have to be Christmas. She lets us know, and we pitch in.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
Yeah.
So, do you ladies have any events coming up?
Great, you asked. We I don't know if out there Florida Memorial's homecoming is the weekend of Valentine's Day, and the Brown Girls host the big after party for the basketball game. It's another avenue to help us with our scholarship funds. This year is going to be at First Class in Pembroke Pines on Saturday, February 13th. After the game, which it'll start from 9 and it'll go until about 3 a.m. in the morning. So tickets are $15 in advance and $20 at the door. We're looking to have a great time. It's grown. Every year we've had to change venues because the crowd gets bigger and bigger.
Very good.
And we solicit any Florida Memorial alumni come out, support
All right,
the Brown
Tigers.
Girls, support the school. Let's do it. It's the only historical black university here in South Florida. Let's do what we have to do.
Is that First Class Productions?
No, it's the club First Class.
First Class?
Yes.
And it's on Pembroke.
Pines and Palm Avenue.
Pines and Palms.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Anything else, or is that? I know that's the big one. That's because that's February, right around the
Yes,
corner.
yes.
But anything else? Like, when can the ladies apply for the next scholarship?
If there's a need, when you arrive back for spring semester, submit your need to the financial aid office for the Brown Girl Scholarship.
Okay, perfect. Okay, do you ladies have any social media that you would like to give out?
Social media.
Oh, yeah. We do have a Facebook page, The Brown Girls, on Facebook. You can follow us also on Twitter at The Brown Girls 305. And we have Instagram, The Brown Girls 305 as well. But you can definitely catch us on Facebook.
Okay,
Constantly.
perfect. Okay.
The
So
biggest-
I just like to thank you for coming out to the show. It's been a pleasure having you, and I'd like to welcome you both back anytime.
Awesome. Thank you so much. We'll definitely come back.
Thanks for having us.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank
We're going
you.
to take a break, and we're going to come back with a little bit more of the Miss Drea Show. Stay tuned.